Hello folks, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. It's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday, and this week we're going to be having pizza meatloaf. Now we may have showed you this a few years ago, I don't know, 3 or 4. But anyway, we like it. And what you're going to do, need 1 pound of Italian sausage, a pound of ground beef, an egg, mozzarella cheese, and also some pasta sauce, marinara sauce, whatever you want to do. Like I always said, make this your own. Now what we'll do, we'll start off first. We'll put in the pound of ground beef. As costly as it is, get every little piece. And then also put in, let me move this over here a little bit closer to you, maybe you can see it there. Get off the little piece of wax paper that was on the thing. Oh, my recipe fell down. Alrighty, this is simple to make, folks. Now, what I'm going to do, we'll pour in about a cup of our pasta sauce. Mix in here. You know, I really wished I'd have got my breadcrumb in first. That's fine. We'll just grab us another cup measuring stick. We're going to be putting in 1 cup of breadcrumbs. Now let's get our, we're using Italian breadcrumbs today. I'll have the recipe down in the description. Just pour that all around. Hopefully you're all seeing this. And add in whatever spices you want. Feel free. And crack our egg over here. 1 egg. Throw this over here in our scrap bucket. Take that back up to the girls. Alrighty. Now we'll put in our egg. Still a little bit of sauce down in there. Get that out. Let's get us about a 1/2 cup, maybe a little bit more, of mozzarella cheese. We'll mix that in and we'll have some to sprinkle back on top. Alrighty. Go back over my recipe here, make sure I got everything. And if you want to, let's put in just a little bit of Italian seasoning. Sprinkle that around. Now, the fun part, we'll mix all this together. We don't want to overwork it. Just combine everything together, get your egg and everything all mixed in. Oh, it smells good. Whatever pasta sauce you want to use. We've got our oven preheating at 375. Just and then what we'll do, we'll grease up a pan, put it down in there. In case y'all don't remember, I love Italian food. Alrighty, now let me get us a pan. We'll grease it up. Be right back, folks. Alrighty, I just grabbed a little bit of olive oil spray, put in there. Now let's drop this down into the thing. Don't want to release. Alrighty. Like I said, grab all your meat and everything out of there. As costly as it is anymore. Okay. Set this over here in the sink. Now we'll form us a loaf. Hopefully you're seeing this here. Alrighty. Oh yeah, if you can see my arm here, oh, like I said, I have trouble with this. Not this weekend, but last weekend, me and Carolyn was out there trimming her snowball bush there. We knowed it had a bunch of poison in it there. That's what we was wanting to get out of and get rid of. Me and her both got covered up in poison. And we had to take her and get her a shot. It was all around her eyes. There's what it looks like. It's getting better. We've been putting stuff on it and everything. They gave her a steroid shot. And she's on the mend now, hopefully. Been putting on some of our jewelweed salve and everything. It's not really been itching too bad. At times, if I wear a long sleeve shirt on these cooler days there, it aggravates it a little bit. I got some up on my neck and everything, but luckily I didn't get none on my face or eyes. Not this go around. Alrighty, we're going to place this here in the oven for 30 minutes. Alrighty, folks. We went ahead and cooked it for 40 minutes, and the temperature is already good on it. This was just 2 pounds. Yeah, we're at 175 right there. So what I'm going to do, I got out a little bit of the grease. We're just going to take and pour on probably about a half a cup. Hopefully you've seen that there. Let me go ahead and spoon that around a little bit. Alrighty. Now we'll take the rest of our cheese. We're going to sprinkle that on top. Yes, Carolyn, there, cheese makes everything better. Alrighty. Now we're going to place this back in the oven. Since it's already up to temperature, I don't know, about 5 minutes or to whenever your cheese gets to the doneness you want. Let me throw this away. Find my pot holders. See you in a few minutes. Alrighty, there it is out of the oven. It's hot. Now we'll let that rest there about 5 minutes. We'll get it plated up and we'll get them in here and have a taste test. It smells good, folks. Alrighty, here it is all plated up. Dan, Shook, come give it a try.
Okay.
Now careful, it may be hot. We made some garlic bread.
Oh, lost my cheese.
Oh no, Carolyn lost her cheese.
Gosh, that's good. That's really good.
That is really good.
Alrighty, folks. They said it's good.
Even better than last time.
Alrighty. I hope y'all have a blessed day. Stay safe. Lord willing, be seeing you soon. Thank y'all for watching.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Holmans Homestead, where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey come share the glee. At Holmans Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home.